Coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus. Coronavirus.
The coronavirus is affecting everyone's life across the globe.
"2020 will be remembered as the year of COVID-19. The ongoing impact of COVID-19 has caused devastating effects to a variety of industries. So much so that the International Monetary Fund has predicted a 3% shrink in the global economy. Therefore, companies such as BMT look to invest in solutions that boost their company's productivity and revenue. One such solution is a product lifecycle management tool, or PLM for short, which integrates a variety of business teams and software to show a clear picture of a product during its entire lifespan. BMT wished to integrate a PLM tool into their ship design process to maximize efficiency and map changes productively. Furthermore, they wish to integrate their existing software like SolidWorks or Microsoft Office into a single package.
We dealt with the integration of this tool applied to an existing BMT passenger ferry in Qatar, used for transport within the Anantara Island Resort and Spa. The tool will be developed using Odoo's PLM software. This package was chosen as it can manage a variety of operations within a product's lifecycle. For example, manufacturing, maintenance, quality control, field service or inventory management, as well as providing project management capabilities. The solution will equally provide both short-term benefits like improved communication with third parties or daily tasks taking less time, and long-term benefits such as a reduced product time to market and an improved position against other leading ship designers. Nevertheless, it is important to make the software as accessible and easy to use as possible. But how can we achieve this? By programming straightforward processes so that the solution is applied by users from a variety of departments.
The project will take a total of 9 months, starting in October 2020 and having a planned tool launch on the 2nd of July 2021. The project will be divided in 4 main stages: conceptualization, research and planning, software development, and integration. To identify the primary cost drivers, a cost estimating relationship and a parametric approach were used. The following costs were considered to be the most important: labor costs, employee trainings, and the cost of the PLM tool. The selected software, Odoo, has been found to bring an immediate 10% increase in project revenue by other businesses. Furthermore, a KPI model can be used to quantify the benefits of the tool, which includes parameters relating to quality, time, cost, and communication. In terms of risks, due to the nature of the project, they are minimal, but care must be taken in communicating with management and planning. In order to manage these risks, the 5 risk analysis steps are followed. Unforeseen risks from the initial risk analysis were identified, analyzed, evaluated, treated, and reviewed. This was the case for the risks associated to the development of the software that developed as the project progressed.
Stakeholders also had to be taken into account for the development of this project. Using Mendelow's matrix, the different stakeholders were organized to see how to manage each one. They were divided in 4 categories in terms of management: keep satisfied, manage closely, monitor only, and keep informed. Among the ones that had to be managed more closely due to their high interest and power, the project manager, marine and port control authorities, and regulatory bodies stand out. This way, BMT organizes where to fix its efforts in terms of managing stakeholders for a greater optimization. In terms of methodology, the use of Agile or Waterfall were contemplated, and the conclusion was to merge both, therefore making use of a hybrid methodology due to its adaptability and structure.
The project owes its success to a variety of factors, called beauty spots, associated to the software introduced by the BMT team. The main positive was how BMT integrated customer consultation into the production and development process, ensuring the project goes in the right direction. Quality control has also been a strong point of this project, undertaking prevention-based quality management practices before implementing the PLM tool. This was followed by appraisal-based activities and failure-based quality approaches to ensure success. In addition, different workers were interviewed regarding the effectiveness of the software, and thus verifying the accuracy of the evidence and synthesis provided.
Despite imminent success, some downfalls were not considered in the planning process, the hotspots. The main hotspot was the communication problems as a result of time differences between BMTs based in Southampton and Qatar, as well as cultural differences. There was also a clear discordance between the upper management team and those developing the project in terms of time, quality and cost of the estimates, which in turn complicated the development of the project.
Thank you very much for watching this video. On behalf of Inés, María, Claudia, Toby, Mariano and Pablo.